Hi everyone! Want to turn your imagination into a stunning visuals? CapCut's Dreamina AI lets you generate amazing AI art in seconds. No skills needed. Let's dive in. So, the first thing you need to do is to head over to the CapCut.com and sign in. This feature is available directly in your browser. No need to download anything. Then, after that, access the Dreamina AI. Once in the home page, go to the Tools tab and click on the AI Image Generator, and this will take you to the Creative Playground. Then you can type a prompt. Type in any idea you have, like this example here. Then choose the style you want, whether it's realistic, 3D, sketch, cartoon, or even oil painting. Then hit generate, and in few seconds, the Dreamina will give your AI masterpiece. You can tweak your prompt or try different styles anytime. And once you're happy with the image, click download and send it directly to the CapCut's editor to start turning your art into a video or slideshow. And bonus tip, these images are perfect for your thumbnails in YouTube, social media posts, or even printed posters. The Dreamina gives your content a professional edge fast. And that's how you use the Dreamina AI inside CapCut. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.